YouTube channel. Today we're doing so. And now I'm here in
East Balabag Valencia.
So in now for the third the house for looking
Yeah, a house for rent.
house for rent.
Because we are helping of one of subscriber of full looking a house for rent, so we are helping her.
Yeah, and then the house is very close to your house.
Yeah,
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 and then the house is 20,000.
20,000 per month.
We include with Wi-Fi and.
Yeah, it's fully furnished already.
Oh, okay. So guys, I show you the house. Let's go. Oh wow, it's nice house, Jen.
Yeah,
Let's go.
come on, get
Let's
inside.
go. 3%, come on.
Let's get inside. Come on.
Come on.
Welcome.
And then here in the backyard, the little garden.
This is good for
So if you have the motorbike parking here,
or car here. It's a big, yeah,
oh my goodness.
careful.
So I think later for the vlog because have people in the inside guys
Inside.
for little mini.
So guys, this is her sofa and big TV. This because this house is already fully furnished, and they have a good aircon, tables. Yeah, they have already Wi-Fi connection, PLDT. Yeah,
And then telephone.
telephone. There. So low.
It's very nice, Jen, no?
Yeah,
Guys, is 20,000
20,000 per month.
per month.
Yeah.
And then include the Wi-Fi,
Eh,
water.
water. Yeah, already. And then
For the
for the rooms. So here, this is the first room
Jennifer for
tour.
the
I'm the one that tour. So look, we have a nice wardrobe. Closet, wardrobe. Look,
very
it's
nice.
nice. Yeah, it's look new. It's new. Yeah,
And then have the mirror.
mirror.
Yeah. And then have the sign.
And then they have another aircon.
Another aircon.
Aircon for, and they have
Wait a second. Then the bed. Master bedroom.
no. This is not master bed. No bedroom.
Oh,
The
okay.
next is master bedroom. Then they have own toilet here and have a
Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
hot cold shower
Okay.
there.
And then toilet.
Yeah.
Okay. And then it's a nice Jen, no?
Yeah. Then
Okay, let's go.
let's go the next room. So here, this is the master bedroom, I think.
Oh, that's the master bedroom.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think.
okay.
No aircon yet,
aircon.
but maybe they will put that
Oh,
later.
okay. Only the
Electric fan. There's also a ceiling fan. Electric.
Oh, okay. And then another closet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then next, what else?
Another room. Maybe you can do this for studio.
And then have the big mirror.
Mm.
Okay, and her.
Kitchen. Or we get first the third room. Or either you can make this one for a studio room. Yeah.
And then if you put
Or
the
storage.
aircon.
Yeah.
Oh.
And
And
there.
then have the little sofa.
Sofa and there.
Oh, okay. It's nice, no? And
Yeah.
then it's cold her.
Yeah. The weather is cold.
Dining.
Dining. Yeah. So they have already an emergency light.
Emergency light.
And we call that fire caution.
Oh, okay.
Fire extinguisher.
Okay.
And then
the
here's the kitchen. They have already.
Kitchen, no?
Yeah.
Kitchen area.
Yeah.
And then in the put the
We will, the owner, we will buy a new stove here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they will provide a stove for cooking, new stove.
Okay.
So
And then for the
cabinet,
cabinet for the your glass and plate.
yeah.
Okay.
This is good for a couple.
A couple.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's nice. And then they have, I think they have already a toilet here. Yeah, refrigerator.
Refrigerator. How light there, Jen?
Where's the light on here?
There.
Huh?
No.
Ay, yeah, that one.
Oh, okay. Oh, have the refrigerator, guys. Ah, okay.
It's big refrigerator. Then another toilet. Another, yeah, for shower.
Have the light.
Yeah, there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And then with hot shower.
Yeah, hot and cold shower.
And then if you want the fresh air, open the window.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. And then what else here?
That's maybe that is a dirty kitchen.
The kitchen and lock.
Nice to
Ah,
open.
okay.
There. Here, you can cook. If you want to use a firewood, you can cook here.
If you cook the like the
Fire,
dry fish.
yeah.
Yeah.
Or you can.
Yeah, it's nice.
You have space here to make grilling for your mate, or
Yes.
then here you put that. So look,
Guys. And here is like the have the garden.
yeah,
And then parking the motorbike.
yeah, parking area.
Oh.
This is the parking area.
Ano pangalan, ma'am? Ano pangalan ni ma'am?
Emma.
Ano pangalan mo, ma'am? Ano pangalan mo? For the
And there have another, maybe there's another, we call that hanging clothes. If you want to hang your clothes, after laundry,
Ima Martin.
here,
Ah, okay.
Ima Martin.
there, you can hang your, yeah, hanging clothes after the laundry.
So that guys, we are ready today for the tour house here.
In East Balabag, Purokwan
Purok one.
Yeah.
Jennifer for help to Ima for locking the house.
house for rent.
The house for rent. So Jen, thank you so much for always help me.
Yeah.
And then I both help your channel. So
Yeah, thank
see
you for helping me too.
Bye.
See you. I say hi.
Bye.